One of the hardest working competitors in all of NXT, Ivy Nile.
Is a tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, representing the Creed brothers, from Knoxville, Tennessee, Ivy Nile.
An endless supply of strength and determination.
And of course, quick thank you to everybody watching tonight for spending part of your Halloween with us.
Yeah, and I can see that Saxton got dressed up for the occasion. I didn't realize they made nerd costumes.
Here comes the heart of Chase U.
And her partner, representing Chase University from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Indi Hartwell.
One of the most impressive and maybe a bit overzealous students to come out of Chase University.
But Thea Hale is dead set on proving that she is a grown woman who can get things done on her own.
Byron, I gotta say, you seem like you're ready to jump out of your seat in anticipation for this one.
Yeah, it's either excitement or there's actually a good chance I ate too much Halloween candy. I can't tell.
And Candice LeRae and Indi Hartwell, the way!
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
And Corey, I can tell you these superstars are excited to be able to compete tonight on Halloween.
Would you stop, Cole? Do you really think these superstars care about a silly holiday like Halloween? The only thing they care about is winning a match.
And this is sure to be a hard-hitting tag team battle. In this one, we get a chance to see Ivy Nile and Thea Hale. Then the opposing team is, of course, filled with Candice LeRae and Indi Hartwell.
And there is a lot of animosity growing between these teams. I expect all four competitors to throw caution to the wind. Focusing on the shoulder like that can be felt all the way to your fingertips.
Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
And just like that, we've kicked the tempo up a notch.
Bang! Drop kick.
Complete control right now. Look out.
Running arm breaker.
That was nasty.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
Oh. Uh-oh. She could be setting up for a submission here.
Unmitigated. Able to shift her weight and escapes. Nothing fancy about that.
Drop kick.
Now tagging her in.
Into the corner. This can't be good.
One step ahead of Indi there.
Across the top rope. What a hot shot.
Cha-ching. Step up Enziguri.
Senton hits the target.
Tag.
fantastic. Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry.
Indi denies the attack.
Using their boot.
Boot right in the jaw.
That's telling your opponent, you don't deserve to share this stage with me.
That's a free fall.
Hartwell throwing caution.
Taking flight.
Body splash. Into the pin attempt. 2 count. And still hanging on.
This could be a tipping point in this match.
Oh my gosh. She's on unsteady legs in the corner. Needs to recover. In full control here. Face first.
And that's what we call the tree of woe position, folks.
Stuck in the tree of woe.
They are doing whatever. And will this be it? She overcomes the pinfall attempt. Not yet.
Dismantling the arm in the corner.
Gotta hurt. Pulverizing the arm is a great way to create an advantage. Basically forcing your opponent to fight one-handed.
Hammerlock. Reverse DDT.
Indi's got the juices flowing now, gentlemen.
Come on. What's going on here? Pay attention to your competition. And she makes it to her partner. Tag. Into the corner now. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Just like that.
It's got to be demoralizing when you're the combatant on the wrong side of the double team. Maybe you want to rework the game plan about now.
Michinoku driver. Cover.
And a shoulder in the air.
Impressive to not even allow a 2 count at this juncture.
And she's in off the tag.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy. Oh, man, just punishing.
Right on the arm. Tagged in. Oh, man! Ouch. Answering back.
Systematic attack on that shoulder.
There's a fine line between strain and pain when your shoulder is worked like that.
Ivy Nile setting up her opponent for the Dragon Sleeper. No. Teammate in to save the match.
Not over yet.
She's pushed into the corner. Oh, targeting the arm. This has got to hurt. Oh, and she turns it around.
Indi Hartwell attacking the arm. Hammerlock DDT.
That's got to be it.
Oh, ouch. Oh, look at the start of this. Could be going into the playbook for submission. Trap.
Looking to find an escape from the abdominal stretch.
Uh-oh, found it. Uh-oh.
Great job anticipating Ivy. Oh, look at this. Hair pull net slam.
Oh,
My goodness.
just hot shot it to the outside.
Looking bad for her here. Placed into the corner.
Look at this, going right after the left arm. Gotta hurt.
What are they going to do here? Double team, snapmare. Oh, man.
Not done yet.
Wheelbarrow.
Wow, look out. Who better to use as a
better weapon than your own partner.
Nile's on her last breath.
Oh, and she picked up a monumental win.
Here are your winners, Candice LeRae and Indi Hartwell, away!
And these two really do make the perfect pair.
Maybe a little hyperbolic, but these two performed like they're born to be a tag team. If they stay together, watch out.